from the concepts of views taken in the decisions of different high courts noted above, it is clear that the liability of a common carrier under the Carriers Act is that of an insurer. Full stop. This position is made further clear by the provision in Section 9, in which it is specifically laid down that in a case of claim of damage or deterioration of goods entrusted to a carrier, it is not necessary for the plaintiff to establish negligence. Full stop. Even assuming that the general principle in the case of liability is that the party who alleges negligence against the other must prove the same, the said principle has no application to a case covered under the Carriers Full Stop Act. This is also the position notwithstanding a special contract between the parties. Full stop. The principle have held the field over a considerable length of time and have been crystallized into accepted position of law. Full stop. No good reason has been brought to our notice to persuade us to make a departure from the position that follows is that the contention of Sri Ashok Desai, learned counsel for that the respondents herein having failed to establish negligence on the part of the appellant, their claim for damages should be rejected, cannot be accepted. Full stop. The question that remains to be considered is whether the principles of law discussed in the preceding paragraph is applicable in a proceeding before the Consumer Disputes Redressal Agency, particularly the National Commission. Full stop. In this regard, the contention of Sri Desai is that the use of the term suit in Section 9 of the Carriers Act shows that the provision is applicable only to the cases filed in civil court and does not extend to proceedings before the National Commission, which is to decide complaints by consumers following a summary procedure. Full stop. The point, Sri Desai submitted that in a proceeding before the National Commission, the general principle that the burden to prove negligence lies on the party alleging negligence should be applicable, though the position may be different in a suit filed in a civil court. Full stop. The term suit has not been defined in the Carriers Act, nor is it provided in the said act that the term suit will have the same meaning as in the Civil Procedure Code. Full stop.